Let's talk about age. Does age really matters in an aspect of our life? Might of you thinks that age doesn't matter. And yeah, well, it's true, but majority of you things don't understand this. Because this concept is itself is a deeper one. Once you accept it, you're gonna enhance it. I'm damn sure. See how it's going to be like. First step I'm gonna tell you that in spite of age, never thought about anything else in a person. If you realize in that category who thinks that age and experience is all about, let me clear you one thing. That see, understand experience in terms of some specialty. Maybe someone is good in business, maybe someone is good in teaching, maybe someone is good in carpenting and creating something. In that technicalities, experience accept that the more you get experience, the more you know about the stuffs and you create the great things. But in terms of life, I don't believe so, because life is not something that you have to live around 100 years so that you can experience a life. It's just in a minute you can experience a life once you have the awareness and the observation around you, because the whole creations is just happening around you. If you are aware of, if you are perceiving this stuff into yourself, so you can understand the life in depth manner that no one can has understand it at the age of 40 or 50, right? So understand in terms of lifestyle, age doesn't matter no matter how good you are. Now second thing is that what people tends to do mistake is that they're seeking advices for each of the person that they are meet, they are successful, they have a great experiences, they think that it's gonna help them. But guess what? It creates a misery. Obviously, if you wanna be a doctor and you're gonna start reading about computer, you just give a more focus towards it, it's not gonna working. Or secondly, if you really want to be a cook and you seek advice for a jeweler, you seek advice from a butcher, it's not really working, isn't it? So first thing is that make sure that categorize yourself in which direction you really want to go, and seek people who already has been there, not something different. It doesn't mean that if you meet them and don't admire them. Admiration is very important, it's great. It's a great phenomenon of life, you can say it, because for it you can experience the stuff and you have the gratefulness towards the stuff. But that thing is apart. Right now you have to be make sure that whatever you are doing in your lifestyles, you have seeking advices for the people who already been there where you want to go, right? Understand this concept, it's really very essential, because in India we'll find that there's a lot of peoples in fact in the house, some uncle said that do this out in your career, my mother and father said do this in your career, brother said do this in your career, friends say something different. Yeah, children get stuck into it, and the youngster also get stuck into it, that whom to listen or whom to not. I'm just saying that make sure that where you want to go, seek for the people who already been there. That's all. If you seek this, if you understand this concept, so in spite of age, you not think about whether the person is old or young, whether the person is great or not, successful or not. If he or she has been there, you wanna seek for them. That's one step. Second thing is that now talking about the experiencing and knowledge. Now, it's a great myth that people think that if the person is 40 or 50 of age and one who has 30 has the experience of life. I'm talking about life, not in terms of technicality, not in terms of profession. Please make sure this. Okay. So if you're in your professions, it might be possible that you're doing great, but there's a exception also there. Suppose if you are a profession of teaching, you are a profession of carpenting, and you're just creating a lot of tables, chairs, and a lot of furniture throughout your 20 years of journey, and you never try to learn new thing. It's very essential here now, because people tend to think that whatever they are doing for a longer period of time, they will be great at it. Damn sure, it's obvious, it's true, you will become great at it, but make sure that in this journey you are upgrading yourself. Don't stuck in that situation again and again, because mastering that situations for 3 to 4 years is great, but along with it, learning new stuffs can bring up you in at new possibilities, and that's really matters. So it's a 21st century, so right now anyone can access the information just one click. So make sure that whatever profession you have, are really adding something into it. It means in the first year and second year you're trying something new with it. Don't stuck into the same thing over the years and years, right? So make sure to do this. Now talking about the second in depth, that how it don't matters. Suppose the person has age about 40 years of age and he live in a small town, and there's a person age about 25 years of age and he has been through a lot of places in the world. He just tasted many natures, he just tasted a lot of peoples, and the cultures throughout the world. And now if you are seeking for perceptions, you'll find out maybe that 40 year of age old person has the more experience toward life, or maybe that one has the more experience of towards life. But in both scenarios, it's not true 100%. See, it doesn't matter if you're living in a single area, if you're traveling throughout the world, meeting new peoples. I'm talking about life, okay? I'm gonna come in experience later bit, but talking about life experiences, why it is important to understand it first. See, you just doesn't matter if you go anywhere in the world, meet any peoples, you have a lot of stuff or not. But the thing is that the whole creations, why, how are you experiencing that stuff? I'm talking here, you are seeing me, you are listening to me, you are touching your smartphone, your food, whatever you are doing. How it happens? It all happens in this, with this body, right? You are accessing the whole creation with this body. And if you start looking into it, doesn't matter if your age, doesn't matter what's your caste, what's your color, what's your area, you have rich or poor. If you start looking into it, you will experience a life. That's all. In a single minute, in a 24 minutes, you can do this. There's a small story that Buddha tortured himself that he don't eat a particle of food that he believed lot of sons. They just said it, if you don't eat a particle of the food and if you eat very less, you will become a higher possibility. It's the same case happening in this era also. A lot of people who are struggling themselves, they taught the people that how to be successful. See, successful doesn't mean you earn a lot of money. It simply means that you enhance your lifestyle so gratefully that doesn't matter how hard situation gets, you always are blissful. You have always smiled. Simple definitions. So let's come upon this again. So Buddha do the same. He just eat grains of particles throughout the time. And after a certain period of time, if you will look at the person, you'll find out it's just a skeleton, as how he tortured himself. But later on, Buddha realized that it doesn't matter, because for this, what I'm doing is that this harming this creation, this body on my own. So what I need to do is just look into it. That's what he decided at that day. And someone luckily brought a whole cup of bowl of kheer to the Buddha, and he just ate it and sat in a tree, under a tree of banyan tree. Might if you find that tree still exists today. And he just closed his eyes for about some hours of time. It's a full moon night, and he came across all possibilities, right? When he opened his eyes, his disciples think that he gonna teach us something new, different, creative, because now he has sit over days for a single day, right? Without moving anything else, his body is glowing, his skin is glowing, right? So they think that he gonna teach us something. But when the Buddha opened his eyes, he said, let's eat something. And by listening this, many of his disciples left that place, because the thing is that now the person is talking about eat something, we think that he talked about life, talked about experiences. I'm not gonna learn with that person. They just left it. But in reality, Buddha understands life in depth by looking into it. So make sure that you're not following that sense who said that eat 1 grain of food to achieve the possibilities. Remember one thing, whatever you're seeking for, if you have the struggle, if your mindset is not great, if you're struggling, if you're not happy throughout the journey, so you're doing something wrong. Now I'm not talking about the journey stuff, the journey is great, but your seeing of the stuff is not great. Okay, so that's the second step that you need to follow it. Make sure to understand the simple stuff. That age is just telling you that how old are you, nothing matters, nothing more than that. And now breaking your, hope you understand this, that how your experience towards the life doesn't relate with the age, because at that time of Buddha there's a lot of sons still struggling for understanding themselves, for understanding the self-realizations, still thriving for the stuff, but they don't do it because of wrong mentorship. So I'm just want to say you that don't seek advices for people, and age doesn't matter. So in the age of 40, in the category of 40-year-old or 25-year-old, if you ask about the possibilities that who knows how much, you find that the 25-year-old person knows more things, because now he have been through the world, meeting new people each and every day, experiencing new culture of life. He has better experiences towards the life, towards the stuff also, right? But the 41-year-old have only taste of peoples who have in their own area, have the taste of life in their own area, have the taste of their culture in that only small area of life. So in this category, you have to seek for that 25-year age because you have been through the last majority of people's, and that's what happening here now. Right now, it's not possible for you seeking for large majority, but it's possible with just a click. So just do this. Use this enhancement. It's a great opportunity that everyone has, but not gonna use it. So now talking about something that is very crucial, and that creates a huge thing in my lifestyles, and that's how one can perceive the things that is infinite, that is something different. See, if you really want to have great in your professions, seek for mentorship for the people who really have in your journey. But if you really want to understand your lifestyles, there's a couple of books, and more importantly, there's you. Only you are the one key source that you can enhance the lifestyles. Make sure you just read some of the books in engineering and that. These are two of my favorite books. Read it, you will experience a life that you never before. So meet you next one. Stay healthy, stay happy.